Imagine waking up one morning and finding out your job is gone because a machine can do it faster, cheaper, and better than you. Sound crazy, right? Well, it's already happening. And the big question is, will your job survive the next 10 years? AI isn't just the future anymore. It's here, and it's changing everything about the way we work and live. From self-driving cars to chatbots that write code, AI is everywhere. But what does that really mean for your career? What about the jobs your kids or the next generation will have? In this video, we're going to break it down. We'll talk about which jobs are disappearing, which new careers are coming up, and most importantly, how you can prepare so you don't get left behind. Stick around, because what you learn today could literally change the way you plan your future. Jobs that are disappearing. Let's start with the scary part. Which jobs are in real danger right now? The truth is, any job that's repetitive or rule-based is at the highest risk. Data entry? Gone. Basic customer support? Being replaced by AI chatbots. Telemarketing? Almost over. Even jobs like accounting and legal assistants aren't safe because AI can now draft contracts and analyze reports faster than any human. And if you're thinking, well, creative jobs are safe, think again. AI can now make music, write blogs, design logos, and even create art that looks professional. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and DALL-E are changing the game in ways we couldn't imagine 5 years ago. Are all jobs going away? But hold on. Does this mean we're all doomed and every job will vanish? Absolutely not. Just like every big shift in history, when old jobs disappear, new ones are born. Think about the Industrial Revolution. Yes, many traditional jobs disappeared, but factory jobs and office work exploded. The same thing happened when computers came in. Some jobs died, but others grew like crazy. The AI revolution will do the same. The question is, what are the new jobs and how do you get them? New jobs that will rise. The future belongs to people who know how to work with AI, not fight against it. We're already seeing huge demand for AI trainers, data analysts, and machine learning engineers. And it's not just tech jobs. There will be roles in AI ethics, cybersecurity, creative industries, and even teaching, but with AI as an assistant. Imagine a filmmaker using AI to build entire movie sets in seconds, or a teacher using AI to personalize lessons for every student. Those jobs are coming, but they won't go to just anyone. You need the right skills. How to prepare. So, how do you make sure you're ready? First, stop looking at AI as the enemy and start seeing it as a tool. Learn how it works and how you can use it in your own job. If you're in marketing, start using AI for content and analytics. If you're a teacher, explore AI tools that make learning easier. Second, focus on skills that AI can't replace easily. Things like creativity, emotional intelligence, leadership, and problem solving. These are your superpowers in an AI-driven world. And finally, never stop learning. The jobs of tomorrow might not even exist today, but if you stay curious, keep upgrading your skills, and stay adaptable, you'll never be left behind. Here's something to think about. AI is growing so fast that companies are already saying they don't have enough skilled people to fill new roles. That's your chance. Whether you're in IT, healthcare, design, or even finance, AI skills can give you a huge edge. And yes, some industries will shrink, but others will explode. AI will create jobs we can't even imagine right now, like AI relationship managers or virtual reality architects. Crazy, right? But that's the future we're heading into. One more thing. AI isn't perfect. It needs human judgment, creativity, and ethics. That means you still have a role to play, as long as you keep learning. So here's my question for you. Do you think your job is safe for the next 10 years, or will AI replace it? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's start a conversation. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. The future is coming fast. Let's face it together. Thanks for watching till the end. Remember this, AI isn't here to destroy us. It's here to change the way we live. The real question is, are you ready to adapt? See you in the next one.